हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू प्रिपेयर अ सिंपल कॉस्ट शीट। So the basic purpose for preparation of a cost sheet is to determine total cost and to fix the selling price of the goods being produced by the company. So cost sheet बनाने के लिए total cost को हम 4 parts में divide करते हैं, which are also known as components of total cost. Number 1, prime cost. Number 2, works cost or factory cost. Number 3, administrative and office overheads. And number 4 is selling and distribution overheads. So यही हमारे 4 steps भी हैं जो हम use करते हैं to prepare a cost sheet for any given company. The first step is to calculate prime cost for the goods. Prime cost can be calculated by adding direct labor, direct material and direct expenses for any given product. But बहुत बार questions में आपको direct material separately given नहीं होता है, but you have to calculate that. So for that the formula will be take opening stock of raw materials, add purchases of raw materials, add any given expenses on purchases and subtract closing stock of raw material. And you can find out the direct material consumed or direct material used in the production process. Once we have calculated prime cost, next step is to calculate works cost. For that, we need to add factory overheads or factory expenses to the prime cost. Factory expenses can be power, fuel, depreciation on factory building, factory rent, etc. Once you have taken all the factory expenses, you need to add opening stock of any work in progress to this amount. Then subtract closing stock of work in progress from the total, and you will be having your works cost, and it can be also called as factory cost. After calculating works cost, third step in a cost sheet is to calculate cost of production. For that, we need to add office and administrative expenses to works cost. That means जो भी हमने expenditure office में किया है, administrative expenses है, that is added to works cost. So the examples of the same can be rent of office building, depreciation of office building, telephone expenses, salaries, etc. Adding these costs to works cost will give us our cost of production. A small step we need to do here before adding selling and distribution expenses is making adjustment for any stock of finished goods. So to cost of production, we will add opening stock of finished goods. Then we will subtract closing stock of finished goods from this, and we will get cost of goods sold. Because जितना हमने produce किया है, that does not means we are going to sell the entire amount or the entire amount is sold in the market. हो सकता है हमारे पास पहले से कुछ स्टॉक हो जो हम इसमें add on करें and then we will sell it to the market, and it can be possible कि total stock में से बहुत सारा सामान हमारे पास रह जाए, हम उसे sell out नहीं कर पाए. So why opening stock of finished goods needs to be added to cost of production, and closing stock of finished goods needs to be subtracted from the amount so that we get cost of goods sold. Once we get cost of goods sold, we need to add selling and distribution expenses to the same. So selling and distribution expenses can be expenses done on advertisement, depreciation of delivery vans, salary to the driver. So adding selling and distribution expenses to cost of goods sold gives us the total cost of sales. So if we have already made the sales, we can write that amount here, and the difference between the two, that is difference between the sales and cost of sales, will help us to determine the profit or loss that we have earned here. I hope preparation of a simple cost sheet is clear to everyone. If you have any problems relating to the same topic, please write in the comment section below. Next video, I'll be taking on specific items that generally create confusion in the minds of the students, that where to put that item. So next video will be specifically on such items. So please subscribe to the channel, keep liking, keep sharing the videos. Thank you and have a nice day.